friends, and welcome to Monkey Arts! And today we're going to draw Kwazii from Octonauts, and this time he will be on a special mission and he will have Monocular with him. Okay, and we're gonna use some markers I've prepared, and also we're gonna need one piece of paper and one black marker for the drawing. And I am going to use this rocket marker. Okay, so let's get started. So we're gonna go by drawing his face, and actually let me see, here in the middle we're gonna start, and we're gonna draw the main parts of this little character. So we're gonna first draw a shape like this, and then we're gonna add nosy nose just like that, and we're gonna also add mouth at the bottom, and we can add one more line just below so we can clearly see its mouth. Then we can also color in just like that, and we have that part completed. Now we're gonna go and create his eye. Okay, we're gonna start somewhere here, and we can draw eye just like this. So we have semicircle and then one curvy line at the bottom, just like that. Then we're gonna add a little white circle and color all the way around. Just like that. Cool. Okay, now we're gonna draw his head, and I'm gonna put some dots just like this. One here, one all the way, let's say here, then one all the way down, and one all the way up. So this will be our little guidelines to create like a circle, but it's more like an oval shape, just like this. Then we're gonna connect with this line. It's a little bit tricky to draw this shape, especially because it's pretty big. Okay, and before we finish the top parts, we're gonna add a little hat this cool character has. So we're gonna draw a shape just like this, and then finish it on the top, and we're gonna draw a little semicircle, and there we go. Later on we're gonna add some details. Now let's finish his head. Just like this. And on this side as well. Cool. Okay, now guys, we're gonna add cat's ears. Just like this, and one more shape. Okay, and now let's go to the other side and do the same thing. So we have this triangular shape. Cool. Okay, we have that part completed. Now we're gonna add that cool eye patch it has. So we're gonna first draw from this side. In the height of the eye, I'm gonna draw a little eye patch, and then we're gonna go all the way around, but not touching the eye. So we're gonna go just like that, and we're gonna add another line. There we go, and then we can color the whole shape, just like this. Color this side as well. Cool. It's looking nice. And now we can go down, and first I'm going to draw his monocular. So he is on a special mission and he needs this. It's gonna go something like this. And then, actually we're gonna leave some space here because we need to draw a hand afterwards. So I'm gonna just add 2 little lines. Then we're gonna make space and go down, down, down. Here as well. Down, down, down. And draw a little circle at the bottom, just like this. Cool. Now we're gonna draw his little hands on monocular, just like this. Then we're gonna move it lower and finish this little line. And there we go, guys, we have one hand completed. Okay, now we're gonna draw his body, and it's like an oval shape as well. So we're gonna start here, then go all the way down. And then we're gonna go from this side, let's say here, and connect with this little dot. Cool. And that will be his little body. And we also have on his body that little top just below his neck. Okay, cool. Then we can add another arm on the other side, just like this, and a little shape here for the hand, and go back. There we go, guys, we have that part completed. Now all we need to add is some legs. So we're gonna start from, let's say, from here, we'll go down a bit, and then again we're gonna draw another line which will go down just like that. And then we're gonna draw those cool boots just like this, and another line, and the bottom of the boots just like this. And there we go, we have one foot completed, and now we're gonna draw another one. So I'm gonna start somewhere here and here. Then we're gonna draw this little oval shape. Then we're gonna draw front parts, back parts, and the bottom of the boots. There we go, guys. I think we have finished with the drawing parts. I'm gonna even out this part here. Okay, cool. And now we can go and color it. So first I'm gonna use my, let's see, bright blue color, and I'm gonna color the top of his, actually the whole hat I'm gonna color. This, and the top parts, and then we're gonna go a little bit down and color these little parts, and also we have blue boots. That, and this one as well. Nice. Okay, and then we can use darker blue and make some lines at the top of his head, just here, and maybe add another one, and that's cool. Then we can use another color. We're gonna use this one for his face and also legs and arms as well. So I'm gonna color all the way around. Well, actually, this is a lighter one. Let me try with this one. Okay, this one is better. So we're gonna color the whole face. Okay, and then we have this part, and also let's go a little bit down. Cool. And we're gonna color as well this part of his ears. And this part as well. Cool. And the top of his head. Cool. Okay, now let's go a little bit lower to color his body. So we're gonna color this little part, and the front part we're gonna leave for the brighter color, and also the arms. Another arm. Cool. And also legs. Cool. Okay, we have that part completed. We're gonna make a little break and then continue coloring. Then we're gonna use a little pink to color his nosy nose. That. And then we're gonna use this bright color inside of his ears and also his little belly. Cool. Okay, then we can add, this part I forgot. And I'm gonna leave a little white space at the top to add him a little bit of shine. And then we're gonna color this cool monocular he has. I'm gonna use light green for that. then I'm gonna use dark green to add some details like lines, and you can add whatever you want. Maybe we can add a little circle here. I'm gonna color the top, and also for the bottom let's use blue as for glass. And there we go, guys. Kwazii is completed, and we're gonna give him a little check mark, and we're gonna give him as well a little heart. And there we go, guys. We have completed this little Kwazii cat with Monocular because he is on a special mission, and well done! See you next time, and let's draw something even cooler next time. Bye bye! If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.